We're filming.
Ooh, what an overview. Fidget spinners.
Yay. Okay, we are talking about fidget spinners, and my grandson wants to show his brothers how to do the fidget spinners. I think he's in the midst of looking for it. Am I right on that?
I can spin it.
Where is the fidget spinner so your brother can do a video of it?
We may have to do a new video and attach it to this one.
Okay, do I need to start it over then? Until you get your fidget spinner? Tell us about the slime, Corbin.
This time.
Ooh, gooey slime.
Let's see what I can do.
My grandkids playing with slime.
Yucky.
Yeah. This is what their daddy made them. He made them slime. Because if I make it, I mess it up every time. Now we're still trying to find the fidget spinner. Oh, yeah. There's your Roblox guy. Hi, Mr. Roblox.
Almost like you can make...
He's cool, buddy.
He broke his head.
Oh, wow. Rowan is having fun with the slime, aren't you, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like he was eating slime.
I hope not. Oh, God. Oh, he's pretending. He's pretending.
Was eating the slime inside that bucket while he was trapped in there for years.
Oh, yeah. Roro, don't make the slime on the floor, okay? Okay. Oh, look what Silas has got. He's got a car, blue car. You gonna put it in the slime? Oh, yeah.
It's shiny.
Uh-huh. Shiny slime. So neat.
Buggers. Let me
Boogers.
see it.
Hey, boogers and slime.
Two things mixed together into one. That makes...
Okay, share the slime, Silas.
Sewer cracked. Slime.
So
Slime
silly.
and pee and boogers. That
And
makes...
boogers, that's just so gross, Bubba. Booger, 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 booger. Yeah, I see that.
He's eating it.
He's burying his buddy in the
This the
slime.
Batmobile. Is this so we're gonna name this video. Is this the Batmobile?
Slime talk.
Is this the Batmobile?
Looks like it.
I'm getting a fidget spinner.
Okay, well hurry it up since you said you couldn't find it.
Ew.
Yucky.
They haven't
Okay.